Hi, Ben here. Let's talk about how to add employees to your schedule and also kind of organize the employees on your schedule grid when you start working. So first thing you can do is come over to add employee. And so let's say we were starting with a blank grid here. You go to add employees, you can add all of them. You can add them by duty. Like say I just wanted my servers, add just the servers. And maybe I want to add individuals. Um, I could start typing someone's name, add them that way as well. If I had a large list, I'll go ahead and add all of them. And once you have them added, another handy thing you can do while you're working on your schedule, a lot of times, like if I'm working on a schedule, I'd like to just say I was just working on the servers. I could just click server and I have a filtered view of just my servers or just my line cooks. In this case, I just have Richie Valens as one line cook. Or I could look at my bartenders. One bartender, Jane Wingrove. I can hit reset filters, and then that resets them. And of course, I was displaying all my employees, so here they are. Um, the other thing I can do is, I think a common thing is I can click and drag. A common thing is to want to, you're used to looking at when you're working on your schedule, you're used to looking at things in an order that makes sense to you. So with SchedulePop, you can drag everything into the order you like. And once you get everything the way you want, and you don't have to do this every time you start a new schedule. So if this is the order I like to work in, I can just come over to the sort order button, click this, and then I can set a default sort order. And this could be my default sort order. And the way I set that, this just tells me that there's no default order set. See, when I'm clicking on this, nothing happens. But if I want to save the current schedule sort order as a default for all new schedules, I just hit save. Now this is going to pop up and then and show me that it's set. Anytime I'm on a new schedule, I would just hit apply, and it'll set the it'll reset the schedule to the default order. When you pull up the schedule builder, it'll know that there's a default order set, and it'll pull it up that way. But if you alter it while you're working with it, you can go back and just apply the default to get it back into that order. And then if I don't want to do this anymore, if I don't want to use that default order anymore, I want to set a new one, I can just delete it here. So that's how that works. Um, I think it's pretty simple, and we'll see you guys next time.